Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to do SEO of a gig or how to rank a gig on Fiverr. So before going to the step-by-step process, I would like to show you a professional gig or an SEO friendly gig that I have just created, and I would like to show you the steps I have made, and then we will learn how to create them. A professional gig should be look like this. It should have a catchy and SEO friendly title. It should have a video. It should have the image. It need to have the presentation documents that you need to add in the gig. It need to have a professional written description with optimized with the keywords that you are going to target, and then you need to have the package, attractive package for your different services, and then FAQs, the frequently asked question containing all the keywords that you are going to target in your gig. So let me show you how we can do it. So the first thing that you need to have a separate folder that contains all the things that you need for a gig. For example, I have article writing services. This is the folder that I have, and I have created some important things, and I have added some important things in this folder that contains a Word document containing title, description and FAQs questions that I created, and then an image that a Fiverr needed, and then some presentation documents that I need to add to show my clients, and then a video. The first thing that you need to understand, you are looking at, look at this SEO article writing and the blog writing. The image, the file name is the keyword that I am going to tag. The SEO article writing, this is the same. SEO blog writing, this is the same. So and then the video I have created, the website article writing and the blog writing, the file name, you need to keep your file name. All will help you to rank on Fiverr. So the first thing that you need to do is keyword research on Fiverr for your gig you are going to create. So I have done some research, keyword research on Fiverr. I will also show you how you can do it. The first thing, my service is related to article writing, so you need to open the Fiverr on a separate browser and write in search bar article writing. Oh, sorry. It will give you some keyword options, so you can see article writing, SEO article writing, writing blog. So first thing that you need to see the article writing. The first, all the things you need to ignore right now. The first thing that you need to focus is the services available. It means how many people are providing the same service in this category. Article writing service is 49,481. Add it. Same like that, SEO article writing, you need to also add it, and that is 62,488 services available. It means, and then blog writing is also my keyword priority. So blog writing is article writing and blog writing, both are my priorities in keywords. So let me show you blog writing also. So the 49,468, 62,488 SEO article writing, blog writing 35,113, and blog post writing 69,601. And further you can do is search by typing and finding out the services available. It will help you to understand the competition available for a gig. So you need not to go to the highest possible. Like this, I have mentioned the 62,000 means highly competitiveness SEO article writing. So you need not to go in. If you are a new person, you should go in article writing where few people are available and number of people are less than the SEO article writing 62,000. So it is almost 12 to 13,000 people lesser this to go article writing. Blog writing is low competitive and article writing is medium competitive, so the chances of ranking is good. So you need to go in both of these categories. But I am expert in SEO. I would like to go in SEO article writing and blog writing because it will capture all these things. SEO article writing, when I will add SEO article writing and blog writing. So blog writing will automatically is a low competitive, it's a high competitive. But the advantage of SEO article writing should be will also add the value in blog writing, because SEO blog writing is also available that is so competitive. So 61,442 is highly competitive, but adding the SEO in the beginning and keeping blog writing same, it will make it achievable in ranking. So I would like to go with SEO article writing and blog writing. So two keywords I have added, this SEO article writing and blog writing. The first is the title I have created. So first thing is the title. So use the keywords in the title. The first thing that you need to do is use keywords in your title. Then what you need to do is, if I added this gig on the next page, it will show me the category. You need a category that is related to your gig. Means if you have a writing and translation and blog post, so it will be a good for you, because a relevant category is important to rank your gig on Fiverr. And then the things that you need to do is to search tags. I have the SEO article writing and blog writing. So I need to add article writing, blog writing, article writer, blog writer as tags. So title and tags, the two things has been covered. So then is the pricing. So we need to learn here how the packages can, or the price can add the value in the SEO for the gig. Here is the words, the description of your package, the basic package, the word SEO article. So I have added SEO article because my gig is related to article, SEO article. So I have added SEO article in the first, SEO blog post, because I have also added blog writing as my title and targeted keywords. So I need to add some LSI keywords, that is the blog post, SEO blog post. So I am using this keyword as beneficiary or LSI keywords or the related keyword. And then in the package 3, the SEO blog is my LSI keyword. So you should also use the keyword in the description of your package. And then you will go the next description. Description is one of the most important element in SEO of a gig. So go to your gig on the Word document. You will see I have added SEO article writing and blog writing, that is my title, as the targeted keyword in my description. So don't use more than one time your basic keyword in your description, or the Fiverr will not rank you. So you can use the website content writer. You can see here the website content writer as my supported keyword or related keyword. So you can add your supported keywords in your gig, just like SEO friendly articles is my supported keyword but not exact keyword. So exact keyword you should use only one time in the description. So an attractive description should have at least one time basic keyword. And then look here, the blog writing, SEO article and blog writing. Okay, and then there comes FAQs, frequently asked questions. It is one of the most important element in the ranking of a gig on Fiverr. So whenever you create these questions helps your buyers to understand your gig and also understand you to provide the frequently asked questions to your buyer. So you can use it as your SEO purpose. So you should use SEO article writing as your keyword in your first question, and then multiple time blog writing. Look here, the blog writing. I have used the blog writing in my FAQ, in the last FAQ. So your title, description and FAQs are some of the most important element in ranking a gig on Fiverr. And there comes the gallery. The gallery also help you to rank faster on Fiverr. How it can help? You need to use an image and then a video. What you need to do is to keep the main keyword as their file name, SEO article writing and blog writing, image, and then website article writing and blog writing as keyword. So use all these images and video with the keyword. Moreover, the Fiverr ranks search gigs that have the videos. So you need to create a video related to your service, just like this, so that your buyer could understand that you are a genuine person and offering the service. And your images should have the keyword in their file name, and then the presentation documents that you need to show in the PDF format, and they should also have the SEO article writing and blog SEO blog writing as the keywords to add in the gig. So all these factors will help you to rank faster and wider on Fiverr. Hope this video was informative, and if this was informative, please share with your friends and also like it on my YouTube channel and subscribe it as well. So thank you so much. I repeated the few things. Keyword research is the most important element. Title, description, FAQs and gallery are the most important things that you need to consider while ranking on Fiverr. Thank you so much. Best of luck.